Hello YouTube, it's May something 2019. I'm out here today with I'm here with a broken BMW. And in the process of diagnosing this BMW, I managed to break some other stuff too, which sucks, but I got a new fan shroud. But the issue here is this car was squeaking. And as luck would have it, finding the problem's not too hard. Once I got the fan and the fan shroud out of the way, yeah, that's probably part of the squeak. See, I got one down here too. That's pretty noisy. Got some play. This one's really loose. So I'm going to do a water pump too, because I don't know when the last time it's done, and I figure since I'm here I might as well do it. Managed to bust that too. I was trying to take the fan off, and my wrench slipped, and I managed to bust off the upper radiator hose and destroy the thermostat housing and break the fan shroud. So I got 4 for 1, as it were. I think 4 or 5 parts broken for 1 touched. So in either way, thanks for watching.